guys, as when me tell you say are the exclusive vibes again. Yeah man, go and tell your friend, you know, exclusive, yeah. Give your next road trip video towards Crossroad, make you see how the place look. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, spin around, make you see what's happening. Yeah man, we're head towards Crossroad now. Yeah. Yeah man, just like that. Yeah man, smooth sailing, you know. Yeah, give you a spin around, make you see my face. I don't know everything nice. Right head towards Crossroad, you know. Crossroad video, you know, road trip video, you know, yeah, exclusive video, yeah. Alright, yeah, spin around, make you kinda get a glimpse of the road. Yeah, this is what the streets looks like. Yeah man, straight, smooth, sailing. Yeah man, Crossroad vibes as let me tell you. Kingston Jamaica. Yeah. Don't know the place look. You understand? Enjoyable. I've studied like a book, guys. What I go on here so blockage. Serious blockage. Can't believe that. Serious blockages. Oh, them block off. Let's see what's this. Road block right off. That's a first. First, me ever see that, me I wonder what's behind that. Yeah, man. Still I do it same way, still I find a entrance towards showing you what it looks like. That's a first. So I tell you guys, this is when you're in the street, you know, anything possible. You understand? You cannot roll out anything, you just have to just go with the punches, you understand? Alright, yeah, spin around, make you see what's happening. Street tour. In the street, I do the right thing, show you the enjoyable time, alright? Bam! Yeah, man, this is what it's all about, no doubt. Spin around, make you see my face. Don't know we're keeping it real, you know, magnet to steel. Enjoyable time we're on the road doing, yeah. Make you see what's happening. Just like that, guys. Don't know, Crossroad. Yeah. Eureka Road that we just go past. That's a one way coming down. Here, this road here block off for some reason, some work is going on here. Don't know, in Crossroad, the famous Crossroad, Kingston Jamaica. Yeah, small spin around, make you see what's the. You have the post office over this section. Yeah man, Crossroad post office, you understand? The famous now Carib Theatre over this section, yeah. This is what it looks like, guys. Yeah man. I don't know. Passing the police station, and right beside the police station you have the market. They buy stuff, ground provision and stuff like that. You understand? Give an next around, make you see my face. Yeah man, we in the street, I show you what's happening. Yeah, real vibes. Enjoy every time we're spending on the road, guys. Don't know, keeping it real. Alright. Real vibes. Yeah, man. Just like that, you don't know, we are give a small tour. You understand? Enjoyable road trip. Yeah, man. And a joke trip, you know. You understand? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, spin around, make you see how the place look. You don't know. Study it like a book. You understand? Enjoyable vibes. And next spin around, make you see my face. You understand? A road trip video. Enjoyable time in the sun there. I enjoy myself. Real? Yes. This is what it's all about. Yeah, spin around. Crossroad, guys. As I tell you, enjoyable vibes. You understand? Alright, we'll continue up on the journey to see what's happening. Don't know, see how we get it exclusive, you know. Yeah, see what's happening, you see how the streets look. Yeah, road trip. Being crossroad, as I tell you. Yeah, real vibes, enjoyable vibes. I continue straight up, make you see what's happening. Yeah, man. Spin around, make you see what's happening, guys. Yeah. Don't know, say an enjoyable time, and we just give a small little crossroad video right there and then, you understand? As when me tell you, say we're coming close to an end. Don't know, go and tell your friend. Yeah, and how the things set. Real vibes. Yeah. Don't know, we in the street are keeping it real. Magnet to steel. Girls them love how it feel. Hot. Yeah, man, realness, man. Just like that. Yeah, man. Ending of the road trip video, you know. Frankie TV, I get exclusive vibes, yeah. Just like that, everything nice. As I tell you, say you guys, you don't know, you do the right thing, you know. It's free. Yeah, understand? Yeah. Subscribe, you know. Like and share, you know. Yeah. You don't know the thing set and hit the notification bell. As I tell you, say. The real vibes, exclusive vibes, you know. Yeah, just like that, you know, keeping it real. Magnet to steel. Alright. The enemy, look out, look out, look out. Frenemy, look out, look out, look out. A friend killer, friend killer.